Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this type of question. The question is solve log of absolute value. So this modulus is given to us here. Okay, so this is called modulus or absolute value, or you can call it mod. Okay, so log of modulus, inside the mod it is given that x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So this equation is given to us. Now how you will solve this type of question? So here this fraction is given. It is given inside the mod. Okay, so this is modulus. Okay, now how to find x? What will be the value of x? So x equal to what? This we need to find out. The options which are given to us are 0 to 1. Next is 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. Next is root 2 upon 3 and root 2 upon root 3. Last option is 1 upon 2 minus root 3 by 2 and positive root 3 by 2. So these are the four options which are given to us. Now let's see how we will solve this type of question. So moving ahead with the solution part. So first of all, what is given to us? This part is given to us. So let us write that. So it is given that log of absolute value of x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2. Okay, and this part is equal to 0. Now here, if you see this equation carefully, in place of 0 we can write log 1, because we know that the value of log 1 is 0. The value of log 1 is 0. So in place of this 0 I will write log 1. So our next step will be log of absolute value of x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 bracket close, and this side we will write equal to log 1. So in place of 0, what I'm writing? I'm writing log 1. Now if you compare both the sides, now on comparing, if you compare both the sides, you can see that this log and log, these bases are same. So obviously this argument can be taken as equal. So this portion is also equal, right? So on comparing, what we get? We get equation modulus of x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 equals to 1. So we are getting mod of x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 equals to 1. So this is mod, or you can also call it absolute value. Now, first of all, now further what we will do? So first of all, whenever this absolute value is given, it means that, see, for example, suppose this whole part is our x. So whenever anything is given inside modulus, for example, modulus of x is given like this, mod of x, then what happens in this case? Suppose if x is greater than 0, then mod x is always equal to x. If x is greater than 0, then the value of mod x is equal to x. And if x is less than 0, then the value of mod x is equal to negative x minus x. So these are the situations. So according to the definition of modulus, absolute value, so whenever you remove this mod, we have two values, either positive x or negative x. So what happens here? Also we will get two equations. So for this part, we will get two equation when we will remove this mod. Okay, so what two equations we will get? So let's see. As I told you, if x is greater than 0, x means anything which is given inside the mod. So x mod x will be equal to x, and if x is less than 0, then mod x will be equal to minus x. So here we will get two equations. One is x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 equals to 1. So this is our first equation. As I told you, mod x equal to positive x. So I'm taking this whole part, I'm taking positive. Or second equation that we will get is negative x. So this whole part will be negative. So second equation that we will get is negative minus of x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2. Okay, this whole part equals to 1. So we are having now two equations. One is positive and one is negative. Why? Because absolute value, this mod was given. So whenever we remove this mod, we get two values, positive and negative. So we have two equations now. So we need to solve that two equations separately. So I'm writing it here separately below this or. So first equation, I'll write this part here. Okay, so our first equation is x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 equals to 1. So this is our one equation. Now in another equation, this is our second equation. Okay, so this was our first equation and this is our second equation. So first here we are solving our first equation. Okay, so this is our first equation. Now our second equation is this negative sign, we can shift that side. So what I am doing, I am taking here this negative sign. So I will get x square minus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 equals to minus 1. So this will be our two equation. One was this and second this one. So what I have done, this negative sign I have shifted here. So this way I'll get second equation. Now we will solve this both equation one by one. So here this whole part will be multiplied here with 1. So we will get x square minus x minus 1 equals to x square plus x minus 2. So this we are getting. Now here x square and x square can be cancelled because this is positive, this is also positive. So if you shift here, this will be negative. So this both part can be cancelled. Now this negative x, I'll shift that side. So it will become positive. So x plus x, I will get 2x. And this negative 2 I'll bring here. So it will be positive 2 minus 1. So what we will get? So we are left with this part, 2x equal to 1. So we are left with this. If you solve this, okay, like terms, bring it together and solve it, you will get 2x equal to 1. Now, further, this 2 we can shift here in the denominator. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. So this will be our value of x, 1 upon 2. So our one value for x is 1 upon 2. Now let's solve this part. Here again, this whole part we will multiply here. But negative sign is there, minus 1. So don't forget to change the sign. We will bring this here, but the sign will be changed because minus, it will get multiplied with negative 1. So what we will get? We will get x square minus x minus 1 equals to, now this denominator I am shifting here. So minus is there. So minus into x square will be minus x square minus x and plus 2. So I just have changed the sign. We need to change the sign. Now here our next step, what we will get is, now here x square and here negative x square. So this both we will add, this negative x square we will shift here, it will become positive. So total we will get 2x square. Okay, and this negative x and negative x both are negative, so they will get cancelled off. When I will shift this here, it will become positive x. So negative x and positive x will get cancelled. Now minus 1 plus 2. So this negative 1, when you shift here, it will become 2 plus 1, 3. So this side we are left with 3. So what I am getting, 2x square equal to 3. So our x square will be equal to 3 upon 2. Now this square, when you shift that side, it will become square root. So x is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. But whenever there is square, we get two values, either positive or negative. So we have positive root 3 by 2 and negative root 3 by 2. So this square, when you shift there, it becomes plus or minus root 3 by 2. So we have two values, root 3 by 2 and negative root 3 by 2. So this is our final answer. So x is equal to 1 by 2. This is one value for x, and x is equal to root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. So total there are three values of x. If you check out the options, option D, 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 and 3 upon, sorry, root 3 upon 2. 1 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2. So this option D shows the correct answer for this type of question. So this question we will solve like this, and this will be our final answer. Hope you understood the solution part. Thank you.